Traditional feng shui often says, when a home becomes cluttered, fortune leaves. The entrance should be clean. The bedroom should be organized. The flow of the home should remain open. But the deeper meaning behind this idea is often misunderstood. A messy room does not mean your luck has disappeared. A person who struggles to keep their home clean is not automatically unlucky. Life is more complicated than that. Think about a person going through a difficult time. When someone is overwhelmed, when worries occupy their mind, when stress becomes too heavy, the first thing they often stop doing is taking care of themselves. Not because they do not care, but because their energy is being used somewhere else. They may stop organizing. They may stop cleaning. They may stop creating a comfortable environment. Their mind is already carrying too much. This is where feng shui has a deeper lesson. Your space does not punish you. Your space reflects you. When objects are left everywhere, when things are difficult to find, when food is forgotten, the problem is not bad fortune. The problem is that the environment begins creating more stress. A clean and organized space creates less wasted time, better movement, better hygiene, and more room to think. When your environment becomes easier, your mind often becomes easier too. But remember, a messy home does not mean someone has low self-worth. There is no such simple formula. A successful person can have a messy room. A person with a beautiful home can still struggle emotionally. However, when someone loses connection with themselves, when they feel exhausted or hopeless, their environment often becomes harder to maintain. You do not need to change your entire home today. Do not create another burden. Simply look around. Choose one small area, a table, a drawer, a corner. As you organize one object, allow one unnecessary thought to leave. As you clear one space, allow your mind to breathe a little more. Your home is not asking for perfection. It is simply asking for your attention. Your space is not a judge. It is a companion. Take care of it gently, and it may help you take care of yourself. The masterclass is linked below. This is the Feng Shui Creator. Style your flow. Design your life.